Hi my sewing friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be learning how to install an invisible zipper, and here are the tools we'll need. We need a zipper foot, both the left and the right, but any one would work, the zipper as well as fashion fabric. To start with, we'll be changing our normal foot to the zipper foot. I'll be working with the right foot because that's the one I prefer. On the fashion fabric, I have marked the point where I want my zipper to stop. So I would sew, don't forget to backstitch, then I'll sew till the end of that particular seam. Now this is what we have. I've pressed open the seam. Increase your stitch length to the longest, just like you see me do now. Flip your fashion fabric to the right side, then bring your invisible zipper, open it up and place it on the fabric. The left side of the zipper, you match it up with the left side of the fabric. Just watch what I'm doing so that you don't get confused. So place it on the left side of your fashion fabric. Then take it to your machine and begin to sew. Right now we are doing a basting stitch just to secure the zipper to the fashion fabric before the installation of the zipper. Sew very close to the edge of the zipper, just like you're seeing me do. So I will stop just at that mark. If you're working with the second zipper foot at this point, you should change it, but I'm using one for this illustration. So as you can see, I have flipped my fabric upside down. Then I will start from that mark there where the first stitch ended. Then I would stitch all the way to the top. This is what we have now. We have secured the zipper on the fabric. So now let's go ahead and attach the zipper as it should be. For this step, you will need to sew very close to the zipper teeth. Very close. Take your time. As you sew, you open it up. You open up the zipper and sew very close to the teeth. This is what will help you have that very neat finish. Nobody will know that there is a zipper there. It will just be the seam you would see. So take your time while doing this step. If you have watched to this point, please give this video a thumbs up. Flip your fabric and continue sewing. Now we're attaching the other side. I left half an inch from that point. You'll see why as the tutorial progresses. So continue sewing until you get to the top of the zipper. If you look closely, you'll see an opening there. The half inch I left while I was connecting the zipper. So now we are going to close up that opening. The reason I left that there is so that the zip, I'll be able to close the zipper without any struggles. So now go ahead and seal that opening. So here is what we have. Our zipper has been successfully installed. Now I'll go ahead and loosen the basting stitch. So this is what we have now. This is the front. If you found this tutorial useful, please give this video a huge thumbs up, turn on post notification and subscribe to the channel so that whenever we upload any new videos, you'll be among the first to see them. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.